In this video, we will show you how to connect all parts of HP 5525 and use it. There are some set of operations that can be complicated and not easy to understand through manual. So let's begin with the paper holder. This is a platform which is just placed above the roller. You have to hold it and bend it to the end part and tilt it to the front side. This is easy to remove and install. It allows you to remove stuck paper and also to clean the roller. Second is installing the cartridges. HP 5525 comes with set of 4 cartridges. These cartridges comes in 4 colors. They are cyan, magenta, yellow and black. You can see the black cartridge is thicker compared to others. The black cartridge offers you 550 page printout while the other 3 offer you 300 page printout. To install this you will need to remove the cap on the cartridge. You can see this orange cap. This cap are also kind of a cartridge seal. Remember, once it is removed you have to attach the cartridge as early as possible or it can dry up. You can see the nozzle section. You have to keep this at the down part. Place it slowly on the head and press it. It will be locked with the head. Now the cartridge is installed. In the same way you have to attach each of them. Now we will turn on the printer and check out the ink level in front LED screen. There is a power button on the front side. You have to press this to turn on the printer. The printer takes some time to calibrate the cartridges properly. Now you can see a icon here. This is the estimated ink level section where it show you how much ink is left in which cartridges. By default the Wi-Fi light is active. You can simply use the printer on Wi-Fi network or through ePrint. We are going to make a separate video on this. We'll show you how to use the printer on Wi-Fi, modify permission, protect the printer, and also using ePrint application on tablets and smartphone. Let's see what are the options available in the LCD screen. It has 4 primary tabs, and on the right and left side you can see a navigation keys. There are total 6 set of keys available on it. On the left side is a home key, back key and return key, while on the right side there is a question mark key, forward key and cancel key. The question mark key is very helpful here. When you tap on any option and you're not able to understand what it does, you have to just press on the question mark key and it will show you a small help window. You can read the section and find out about the section here. The Wi-Fi and ePrint keys are provided separately. So we'll show you this in a separate video with a detailed guide how to use this properly. For the timing, you can just figure out that this Wi-Fi key, once it is turned on, it scan your existing Wi-Fi network and connect the printer directly to it. You can see it is just acquiring a IP address. It show the MAC address also, and it also show you whether Wi-Fi direct is on or off. The last thing which is pending to connect is the paper tray. You can see it comes out when you drag it. There are two panels on the right and left side to adjust paper width. This paper holder also had some additional parts. One thing is, you can see 3 different parts here in my hand. Among them, this one is attached to the end of tray to hold paper. Also it acts as a panel to lock the front part of printer. The other two sections are called as paper tray extender. You can use this to extend to use longer paper on it. To use it you have to fix this holder above this one and then you have to connect attach it at the back of tray. You have to place this over the lower platform and this small small extender has a column available on the tray. It is now connected and it will be used with the printer to hold more larger papers. Now we'll go with the printer setup. The printer is ready, all parts are wires are connected. We'll use the setup CD in Windows 8 to test how what are the options available and how it works. To set up the printer you have to connect it through USB cable on your PC, and then you have to use HP Deskjet installation CD. You can see a small notification which shows about the default driver that Windows take automatically to enable the printer. Uh, ample of things will not be installed. The drivers are properly provided in the CD. Windows basically detect the default printer drivers and try to add it, but it is recommended that you use the setup through CD only so that nothing is pending to install. The CD offers you two options to install the printer. First is to go online and second is to do basic CD installation. Choose the second option. Now this screen show you the set of software available in the CD. For example, this Deskjet 5520 product improvement, a help manual, photo creation software, etc. You can click on customize software selection and choose what you want to install and what you don't want to add in your system, or you can simply click the next button to add everything. It will take some time to install everything. In this CD there is a separate software called as HP photo creation. This software help you to print your photos and also add additional effect on it. For example, adding frames and adding some enhancement to change the photo. We'll check the software once it is installed. The entire setup is automated. Remember to connect your printer before running the CD. The CD also has a set of help manual that you can refer to gain more information on different software and using the printer. Now once the setup is over, you can see the connection option here. You can use a Wi-Fi if you're on a Wi-Fi network, and you can use a USB if printer is directly connected to the computer. It start detecting the printer, and you can see some additional devices are available in driver section. It is very important that all the drivers must be installed properly, and there should not be any pending option, or else there will be problem with the printer. Once it is detected with the by the CD, just click on next. This is ink alert section. When the system is low on ink, you have to click on show me ink alerts right away, or you can simply disable it, but it is necessary that you choose the first option. This is HP Deskjet printer assistant software. You can see the set of options here. You can also see the estimated link level on the top side. This keeps on showing you when the reducing amount of ink. When you click on it, you can get more information. You can also find a shop online or shopping list where you can buy directly HP products. The print and scan section has everything here. You can see the existing document which is under print. You can cancel it, you can pause it, you can set your preferences, you can manage the paper size, you can adjust the print quality, you can customize the printer by changing the name, adding some security options here, enabling and disabling sharing option, color management, etc. The maintain your printer option allow you to run a diagnostic test to find out if there is any problem with cartridge alignment and printer heads. You can see 4 different settings here. This manages the print quality, this manages the print head, this cleans the print head through software, and this also clean the printer. You can use this maintenance stuff when you find any problem with connectivity, or when there is a bad quality printing. The revised status report section allow you to find out a small log information about the printer. When you click on it, it collects the information from the printer directly, and it print the same. Estimated ink level, I have shown this already. It show you the level of ink available in each cartridge. This show you the health of print head. If there is any problem with the head, there will be error here. This section give you information about your device, for example, the IP address, the software version, serial number of printer, firmware version, etc. You can update the firmware or driver to enhance the printer performance. Cartridge protection enable the printer not to use any third-party cartridges in the printer. It is necessary you keep it you let this on the default settings. Now the setup is over, and you can use this HP printer assistant software to manage your scans and your photo printing options. If you have any doubt on how to use a particular section, you can go on the help section and you can read about that. You can find all each and every information properly here. You can register your product. You can also find out how diagnostic utility work. You can go and search in the help section about any particular topic, and you can collect information. There is a video available here which give you section wise information on each and everything. This is quite simple to use. Now let's check a test print. I'm going to print a web page here, and I'm going to scan that also. I'll show you how the scanning works. So you can see that the printing is quite easy on this, and also the scanning. For color printing, the printer takes a bit time to display the page entirely, and for scanning also, depending on the DPI you have selected, the scanning process take time. We'll check out more information and more detailed feature about this printer in a detailed video review of HP 5525 printer. Visit techarena.in for more product reviews.